how to swap crypto on Bitget. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can swap crypto in Bitget Wallet. To swap crypto on Bitget Wallet, first of all, open your Bitget Wallet application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, here you will land on this home screen. At the top, you will be able to find different icons. Tap on this futures icon next to on, and by doing so, you will be taken to this page. Here at the top, you'll be able to see 3 different tabs. Here select the swap option from the top left, and by doing so, you will reach to this page. Here now you will need to select the cryptocurrencies. Tap on this crypto from the From section and select the crypto that you'd like to swap from. Once you have selected the crypto, now again tap on the crypto at the To section and then select the crypto that you'd like to swap to. After selecting that, you will need to now specify the amount. Tap on the amount at the right side of this From section and then enter your amount. After that, you will be able to see the amount of crypto that you are going to get after the swap. Make sure to review all the details and additional fees. Also ensure that you have enough crypto to swap. After entering the amount, tap on this confirm button right here and then you will be able to see swap button in the space. Tap on it to confirm. Now wait for the transaction to be processed. And once the transaction has been completed successfully, you will be able to see the swapped crypto on your wallet. So by following these steps, you should be able to swap crypto on Bitget Wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.